Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a faceless YouTube channel using only AI and earned $8,400 per month from it. Yes, you heard that right. I didn't use any camera, microphone, or editing software. I just used some amazing AI tools that did all the work for me. And the best part is, you can do it too. So, what is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is a channel where the creator doesn't show their face or reveal their identity. They use AI-generated voices, images, and videos to create content on any topic they want. Some examples of popular faceless YouTube channels are Kurzgesagt, CGP Grey, and Chilled Cow. Why would you want to make a faceless YouTube channel? Well, there are many benefits to it. For example, you don't need any expensive equipment or skills to make videos. You can avoid the hassle of filming yourself and editing your footage. You can protect your privacy and avoid unwanted attention or criticism. You can experiment with different niches and styles without being limited by your personality or appearance. You can leverage the power of AI to create unique and engaging content that attracts viewers and subscribers. Sounds awesome, right? But how do you actually make a faceless YouTube channel using only AI? Well, let me tell you how I did it. First, I needed to choose a niche for my channel. A niche is a specific topic or category that your channel focuses on. For example, gaming, education, comedy, etc. Choosing a niche is important because it helps you target a specific audience and stand out from the competition. To choose a niche, I used an AI tool called AI Video Script Generator. This tool uses chatgpt technology to generate ideas for social media videos based on keywords or phrases. I just typed in some general topics that I was interested in, like science, history, or art, and the tool gave me some suggestions for video titles and scripts. For example, when I typed in science, the tool suggested how science can make you happier, the science behind optical illusions, 10 amazing science experiments you can do at home. I picked one of these suggestions and used it as the basis for my first video. Next, I needed to create a voiceover for my video. A voiceover is the narration that accompanies the visuals in your video. It helps you deliver your message and engage your audience. To create a voiceover, I used an AI tool called 11 Labs AI. This tool uses an AI-generated voice to read any text aloud. It has over 120 natural-sounding voices in 20 languages to choose from. I just copied and pasted the script from the AI Video Script Generator into the tool and selected a voice that matched my niche and tone. For example, for my science video, I chose a voice called Ethan, who sounded smart and friendly. The tool then converted my text into an audio file that I could download and use for my video. Next, I needed to create visuals for my video. Visuals are the images, graphics, or animations that illustrate your voiceover and make your video more appealing. To create visuals, I used two AI tools, AI Image Generator Lexica AI and AI Video Generator Lovo AI. These tools use OpenAI's DALL-E and GPT technology to create images and videos from text prompts. For example, for my science video, I used the following text prompts. A happy person holding a beaker. An optical illusion of two circles. A volcano erupting in a backyard. The tools then generated realistic and relevant images and videos based on these prompts. I could also customize them by adding filters, stickers, text, or music. Finally, I needed to put everything together and upload my video to YouTube. To do this, I used an AI tool called Kapwing. Kapwing is a web-based video editor that lets you edit videos with artificial intelligence. It has features like Smart Cut, Remove Background, Magic Subtitles, and Auto Reframe that make video editing fast and easy. I just uploaded my voice-over audio file and my visuals to Kapwing and arranged them on the timeline. I also added some transitions, effects, and captions to make my video more polished. Then I exported my video as an MP4 file and uploaded it to YouTube. And that's it. That's how I made a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. It was surprisingly simple and fun. And the results were amazing. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to make a faceless YouTube channel using only AI, you can do it too. Just follow the steps I showed you and use the AI tools I recommended. You'll be amazed by what you can create and achieve. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.